and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Days after suffering devastating losses that dragged its price to $56,500, Bitcoin rebounded on Friday and during the early hours of Saturday. This coincided with a slowdown in outflows from spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the US compared to the previous day's record outflows. The market appears to be recovering as Bitcoin attracted a modest 5% gain over the past day and is now trading at $62,750. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was changing hands at $3,100, up by almost 3% in the similar time frame. Most altcoins suffered quite badly as well as the start of the business week, but charted impressive gains yesterday. Some, such as DogeCoin, have doubled down. Ton has soared by nearly 12% in the past 24 hours again and now sits above $5.3. HBAR, IMX, Pepe, Tau and CRO have also produced impressive increases in the past day. Meanwhile, the US economy added 175,000 jobs in April, according to the government's non-farm payrolls report released Friday morning. That number stands against economists' forecast for 243,000 jobs and marks 315,000, which was revised from a previously reported 303,000. Then unemployment rate for April was 3.9%, was forecast for 3.8% and marks 3.8%. The global crypto market cap is $2.32 trillion, a 4.08% increase over the last day. The total crypto market cap per volume over the last 24 hours is $74.92 billion, which makes a 5.46% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $6.44 billion, 8.59% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $69.02 billion, which is 92.12% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.27%, an increase of 0.67% over the day. Cryptocurrency options expirations are set to occur on Friday, with the settlement of $1.39 billion in Bitcoin and $1 billion in Ethereum options expected today. Bitcoin's put-to-call ratio is 0.50 and its maximum pain point is $61,000. On May 3, 23,367 Bitcoin contracts worth $1.39 billion are set to expire with a notional value of approximately $1 billion. Ethereum contracts also expire with a put-to-call ratio of 0.36 and a maximum pain point of $3,000. Greeks.live highlighted the current state of the crypto market, stating that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market are still experiencing a deep pullback, with April becoming the deepest pullback month in almost a year. Despite the strong correction, the global crypto market has experienced a 4% increase in the last 24 hours, bringing its total global cap to $2.32 trillion according to CoinGecko data. Block CEO Jack Dorsey has announced plans to purchase Bitcoin monthly using the dollar cost averaging method, demonstrating Block's commitment to integrating Bitcoin into its financial strategy. Well, DCA is an investment approach where the same dollar amount is invested in a particular asset at regular intervals, regardless of price fluctuations. Block will allocate 10% of its gross profits from Bitcoin-related products towards monthly purchases of Bitcoin starting April 2024. The company will execute these purchases over a shorter time window due to lower notional trade values and improved Bitcoin liquidity compared to 2020 and 2021. As of March 31, 2024, Block acknowledged owing 8,038 BTC on its balance sheet. The initial $233 million investment in Bitcoin ballooned to approximately $573 million, marking a 146% increase. Block, led by CEO Jack Dorsey, plans to allocate 10% of profits from its Bitcoin products towards buying more of the cryptocurrency each month. The company, which added Bitcoin to its holdings in 2020, has seen its Bitcoin holdings surge 160% to reach $573 million by the end of Q1 2024. Block currently allocates less than 3% of its resources to Bitcoin projects. In Q1, Block's gross profit grew 22% year over year to $2.09 billion and net income quadrupled to $472 million. The company raised its adjusted EBITDA forecast for Quarter 2 to $690 million and its annual adjusted core earnings guidance to at least $2.76 billion. Block's mobile payment platform Cash App generated $1.26 billion in gross profit, a 25% increase year-over-year. However, the company faces potential regulatory hurdles, including alleged compliance issues at Square and Cash App. Ethereum restaking protocol EigenLayer is airdropping around 28 million more of its native Eigen tokens to over 280,000 wallets, following its first airdrop announcement. The protocol announced that it would allocate 15% of its total supply to the community, but some users deemed certain provisions restrictive. The Eigen Foundation announced that it will now airdrop additional Eigen tokens to users who interacted with the protocol before April 29. Season 1 claimants will receive a minimum of 110 Eigen, while Season 2 claimants will receive 100 Eigen. Despite the token not yet being released to the market, Eigen perpetual futures contracts are currently trading for $10 on the derivatives market. The latest airdrop could be estimated to be worth around $280 million. Critics criticized Eigen's non-transferable token structure, smaller than expected 15% community allocation, and aggressive geo-blocking and anti-VPN measures. While EigenLayer plans to include more testnet users omitted from the airdrop and provided further details about Eigen's non-transferability, but did not provide a date for when the tokens would be transferable for users. Decentralized social platform Friend.tech has airdropped its native token Friend during the launch of version 2 of the platform. The token's price rose to $169 after trading on Base, but quickly fell to $2.5. The price dump was driven by liquidity issues similar to the recent Renzo incident. Friend.tech, which debuted in August last year on Coinbase's Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain Base, has a point system that rewards users for engagement. The new Money Club feature will provide an exclusive space for financial discussion and networking. At press time, crypto assets worth $29.8 million were logged in Friend.tech, more than 40% of the peak of $52.04 million in early October. Activity increased last month in anticipation of the version 2 launch and the Friend token airdrop. However, some users are having issues with claiming their airdrop. Malvia, founder of crypto analytics platform Dior, said the distribution was a concentrated airdrop, with leading creators taking the most supply home. Friend.tech has not responded to a request for clarification by publication time. American hedge fund Pantera Capital has announced its first investment in the Open Network, a blockchain initiative built by Telegram. The investment is based on Ton's connection with Telegram, which has over 900 million monthly active users. Well, Pantera Capital believes that Ton can introduce crypto to a large public and establish the crypto space. The firm believes that Telegram is the only social platform free from regulatory hurdles to incorporate Web3 for an open blockchain network. Ton is a decentralized network designed to support multiple applications and includes Ton blockchain, Ton storage, Ton DNS, and Ton services. Ton's native token, TonCoin, has surged by 12% over the last 24 hours, with a monthly increase of more than 7%, despite a marginal decline of 0.65% over the last week. The hedge fund senior investment associate Ryan Barney expressed confidence in Ton's potential to introduce crypto to the masses. Nigerian fintech firm MoneyPoint, PanPay, and Paga have issued warnings to customers to avoid using their accounts for crypto transactions or face severe sanctions. The Central Bank of Nigeria has ordered some new banks, including MoneyPoint, to stop onboarding new customers. MoneyPoint will close accounts of anyone engaging in crypto or other virtual asset transactions and share their details with authorities. This follows the CBN's previous announcement to lift its crypto ban imposed in 2021. In December 2023, the CBN directed financial institutions to facilitate account opening, provide designated settlement services, and act as intermediaries for firms engaging in crypto asset transactions. Paga has emailed customers stating that the CBN licenses and it is committed to complying with all regulations. The CBN had previously denied a directive institutions to identify individuals or entities engaging in transactions with crypto exchanges, as well as ensure accounts are put on post-no debit instruction for 6 months. Dutch authorities have arrested a 26-year-old man suspected of fraud, embezzlement and money laundering in the Z Casino online gambling scam. The Fiscal Information and Investigation Service seized over 11.4 million euros, which is approximately $12.2 million worth of crypto, real estate and luxury cars. The arrest marks the first in the Z Casino fraud case where investors lost at least $33 million worth of digital assets. The platform initially promised users their investment back within 30 days, but the smart contract suggests the platform never intended to return to funds. The suspect's detention was extended for 14 more days for investigative purposes. Probit Global has listed the Unify Platform Token, a cryptocurrency token that provides investors with a gateway to support researchers and their endeavors. The platform uses blockchain technology to ensure credibility, assessment of research, and verifies content registration. The Unify Platform Token is designed to protect and disseminate technology, facilitating an equitable evaluation process and fostering financial backing through donations or investor engagements. While it employs AI for credit assessments and blockchain IP certification to ensure a secure and transparent ecosystem. The token also offers multilingual translations and live streaming to address language barriers, fostering seamless communication between researchers and investors. Researchers can gain incentives and donations through the eTip feature, bypassing potential restrictions in their home countries. The token also allows conversion of assets into crypto or fiat currency, reducing reliance on traditional financial systems. The token grants access to exclusive partnerships and investor networks, including 80 global business partners, enabling support for researchers seeking funding. This support enables researchers to focus on developing impactful technologies without financial constraints. The Unify Platform team views Probit Global's listing as a significant milestone in enabling global investor support for researchers. Well, that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.